guys, it's Ron here again, and I was asked to do a non-biased video about the Autel XSP and the Autel Evo, comparing the two. So in this video, you're not going to see any bias or anything like that. I'm not going to suggest what football team you should like. I'm not going to suggest if you like DC over Marvel. I'm not going to suggest where you buy your drone from, and you're not going to get any suggested Facebook groups to join. You're not going to get any of that in this video. What you're going to get in this video, though, is you are going to see what's inside the box of the XSP. If you already own one, you're pretty sure you already know. And you're also going to see what's inside the bag of the Evo. Also, later on in the video, you're going to see the flight comparison of the XSP and the Evo side by side to see who's stable. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to see what's inside the bag and what's inside the case. Alright guys, so here you have a good view of Big Brother and Little Brother. So right here, obviously you see the XSP and you see the Autel Evo. Now this is exactly how they are when they're in their box, or I'm sorry, in their case or in the bag. So you can just see how much more compact the Evo is than the XSP. Now for quick flight, obviously you already have your props and everything on the Evo, where you have to screw on those props and everything for the XSP. But just look at the difference in sizes. I mean, look at this. That's just way huge difference in size. So I'm going to show you how I get my Evo packed in the bag. I'm going to move over the XSP right here. Look how quick and easy it gets into the bag. So what I do is I put my Evo in with the camera facing up, and I put my controller in like so. Now what that does is that leaves me plenty of space right in here if I want to stuff a battery, or if maybe I have a special tablet or cell phone. Not really tablet, but more of a cell phone that goes in there. But look how nice and snug everything fits. If you have any lens wipes, you can put those in here, or maybe some filters if you want some filters in there, or in the side here. You also, in the bag, you have a netting on the side, so if you want to stuff a battery or something in there, on both sides rather. And if you're traveling, I have all of my wires in the bag like so. This is a nice little bag that they gave us. It's a nice, you know, it seems like a little camera bag. Very compact, very comfortable to wear. It comes with a shoulder strap. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take the Evo and the XSP outside, and I'm going to do a side by side with them to see which one is more stable. Alright guys, if you want to order the Evo, any accessories for the Evo or battery for the Evo, go ahead and click the link below down the DroneWorks. Again, it's not an affiliate link, it takes you right to their website. If you guys are on the fence and you might want something more compact, I think the Evo might be the way to go. Guys, but honestly, the XSP is not a bad bird whatsoever. It's a very good bird, and if you're very content with the bird, I highly recommend keeping it. Again, the Evo, again, does have a great camera, has some really cool features, and it's ultra portable. Guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and click the little bell icon if you want to be notified. And if you want to see anything specific, go ahead and leave a comment below and join our Facebook groups. Thanks for watching. Happy flying, and take it easy.